In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Zoho Books. Creating quotes properly is important because they're often the first official document your customer sees from you. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the entire flow, from where to click to what to fill out and how to save or send your quote once it's ready. First, log into your Zoho Books account and head to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu with different modules such as dashboard, items, and so on. Look for the section labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on Sales. This is where Zoho Books groups all your sales-related documents, including invoices, customers, and of course, quotes. Once you're in the Sales section, you'll see a list of options underneath. Find and click on Quotes. This opens the Quotes module, where you can see any existing quotes along with their status, like draft, sent, or accepted. Even if your list is empty right now, this is exactly where new quotes will appear after you create them. To create a new quote, look for the button that says Create New Quote, or a plus new button, usually located at the top right corner of the quotes page. Click on that. This will open a new quote form where you'll enter all the details for your customer. Now, fill in the quote details. Start by selecting the customer from your customer drop-down list. If the customer isn't in your system yet, you can usually add them directly from here. Next, check the quote date and adjust it if needed, and set a valid until or expiry date if your pricing is time sensitive. Then add the items or services you're quoting for. Choose each item, verify the quantity, rate, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Take a quick moment to review the totals and currency to make sure everything is accurate. You can also add notes or terms and conditions at the bottom to clarify payment terms, delivery details, or any special conditions. When you're happy with how everything looks, scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll see options to save as draft or save and send. If you want to review the quote later or get approval internally, choose Save as Draft. If it's ready to go to the customer right away, choose Save and Send. Zoho Books will then save the quote and open up the email window so you can confirm the message and send it directly to your customer. And that's all it takes to create a quote in Zoho Books.